she love being down here with
You don't
us.
got no fleas? Please don't have no fleas. God just have a fit.
No, she don't. She been outside for 2 seconds.
Alright. You're fat.
Just came right back
They
in.
said she's, I guess it's because she's short hair or something. They don't really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey.
That's another good part about her.
Yeah, because you're going to need her in the wintertime.
Oh, I apologize. Yeah, it ain't really my deal.
But it's sad. What you doing? You taking a video?
Look.